R. Sureka, first BCom A, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Topic: Types of Planning. Types of planning on the basis of organizational hierarchy, corporate, functional, and unit planning. On the basis of time, long range, medium range, and short range planning. On the basis of scope and nature of activities, strategic, tactical, and operational planning. On the basis of formation, formal, and informal planning. Based on organizational hierarchy. Corporate planning or top level planning. Corporate planning is a comprehensive planning for determining the long term objectives of the organization as a whole. Functional planning or middle level planning. Functional or departmental planning deals with setting objectives, policies, and programs for the various departments of the organization, namely production, marketing, finance, personnel, and other departments. Unit planning or low level planning. Unit or sessional planning refers to planning of day to day activities by the supervisor level managers. The effectiveness of unit planning contributes to the success of functional planning. Based on time. Long term planning. Long term planning or plans for a period of more than 5 years laid by the top level of the organization. Medium term planning. Medium term planning or plans for a period between 2 and 5 years laid by the middle level of the organization. Short term planning. Short term planning or plans for a period of less than 1 year laid by the lower level of the organization. Based on scope and nature of activities. Strategic planning. Strategic planning involves decisions about the organization's long term goals and determining the manner of development of resources to achieve those objectives. Tactical planning. Tactical planning involves the process of translating both strategic plans into specific plans that are relevant to a definite area of organizational functioning. They are laid by middle level managers for a time period of 1 to 2 years. Operational planning. Operational planning involves the process of identifying specific procedures and processes to carry out organizational activities associated with the activities in different departments. Based on formation. Formal planning. Formal planning refers to a process of well structured, clearly identifiable, and sequentially arranged steps of planning. Informal planning. It refers to unstructured planning process. It is suitable for small business organizations with less number of employees and when the nature and range of activities are simple. Thank you.